Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to speed up your computer. This is a very simple and easy way, so stay tuned. First, you're going to want to type in your search bar, Task Manager. Simply click that and open it. After Task Manager is open, you're going to find some tabs on the top. One of them is Startup. Press the Startup tab, and it'll take you to these startup applications. These are the applications that start up with your computer. You're just going to want to right-click and disable the useless applications that start up. This will speed up your startup of your computer. Here, I'm just going to disable some startup applications that I really don't need. After I'm done with that, I'm going to go and close that tab. Then go back to your search bar and type in Run. This application has a search bar. You want to type service.msc in that search bar and press OK. Now you're going to have the startup services right in front of you. Don't disable any useful stuff like for your computer that might slow down your computer or even shut down and restore your computer. You're going to want to right click, press properties, and then you're going to have something called like a tab that's going to be saying automatic. You're going to want to press that, and it's going to give you a drop down list of automatic, manual, or normal and stuff like that. So you're going to press manual. Manual makes it so it has to be manually opened and won't automatically open the startup. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.